Got the Honda Accord here, and we're gonna put this shifter knob. All right, nice leather shifter knob. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the car over this way a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys some lights. Go ahead, put on the hat, fog lights. There you go, look at that, nice. Car is really hooked up. All right, and I'm gonna show you the lights inside in a little bit. But let's bring this car over to this way a little bit. That's it, that's good. All right. Look at that. Skylights here, star lights. And we can change the colors. Any color you like. Red, white, blue, green, pink, purple. All right, but we're gonna go back to the job. We're gonna remove that shifter knob right there. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this little clip right here, put the e-brake up if you want to, it's up to you. Pop off that little clip, put the car into neutral, it's up to you. You can put it neutral regularly, or you can put it this way. So push on the little guy inside and the shifter goes back. All right, there you go. Once the shifter is back, you're gonna pick open this little cover right here. This cover has little clips. You see right there? You can pull it from right there from both sides. It's up to you. So there you go. The whole cover goes out. You see that cover? So this cover is just hooked onto by these little clips right here. So just with the force, it pops open. All right. After that, you're gonna have a Phillips head screw right in there, right? So we're gonna remove that Phillips. There's two of them. And the shifter knob should come right up. Very easy. Within just like a 5-minute job, right? In 5 minutes you should have this whole knob coming out, right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the new knob and put the new knob in. So very simple. Same way, we're gonna pop the cover open there. This one we gotta take it easy with because we need this to be perfect. Use a flathead if you need to. Flathead should work better. There you go. Alright, you take the new shifter knob, stick that in. And we're gonna put the screws back in and the cover back in, and the job is well done. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then after that, you just put the cover on. Make sure you test it before you put the cover on. Sometimes you will put everything back, the shifter will not grab and move. All right, it's working normally. All right, so let's try the key. There you go, perfect. All right, so this is done. We're gonna put the cover back on. Make sure you put the little cover here on. And this thing, you just clip it right back on. It snaps right on. There you go. nice and done. Don't forget to put that in. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.